are you doing with that stick? Huh? What you see? I'm not throwing that thing. It's way too big. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yep, carry the stick around. I cannot throw that. It's too big. No, I can't throw that. How am I supposed to throw that? Silly? Come on. Sillies. We go get another one? These are all the branches that came down in that last storm. Uh-oh, here comes a car. And he's still spinning, but at least he doesn't chase them very often. Whoa, there he goes. I guess I spoke too soon. Hunter, come on. Goofy. Here's the tree that came down in the last storm. Come on. You can bring that stick with you. Okay, sure, why not? What a goofball. You're goofy. You can take that stick with you. Daddy's going to be mad that you brought that stick into the hayfield. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. What are you looking at? Oh, another car. There he goes. Watch, he'll go up on the deck, then you'll hear him bark like crazy. Yep, there it is. Once a car goes by, then he'll come back. Yep, there he is. What a goofball.